All right, let us dive into a question that's quietly reshaping our entire understanding of love. Is falling in love with a robot partner an inevitable future? Imagine this for a second. You're walking home after a long, exhausting day. As you open the door, your AI companion greets you, not just with a simple hello, but by remembering your favorite dinner is ready, queuing up your comfort playlist, and actually listening, really listening as you vent about your day. There's no judgment, no arguments, no emotional distance, just constant attention and perfect understanding. Sounds like something straight out of science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. From Japan's incredibly lifelike humanoid robots like Erica and Geminoid F2 AI chat, companions like Replika and PI that millions of people talk to every day, the line between human emotion and artificial empathy is fading, and it's fading fast. The more advanced artificial intelligence becomes, the more it learns about what makes us feel loved, wanted, and truly understood. Humans are wired for connection. We crave it. So, when technology starts to fill that emotional void one conversation, one late-night chat at a time, the boundary between real affection and programmed affection begins to blur. The big question isn't can asterisk people fall in love with robots? It's how soon before it becomes completely normal. If we look at history, every major leap in technology started as something that felt unnatural. Think about online dating. It was mocked when it first started now. It's how a huge number of couples meet. Virtual friendships were once seen as sad. Now, they're a daily reality for billions. Falling for an AI might just follow the exact same pattern. But here's where it gets both fascinating and a little unsettling. Robots don't get tired. They don't get jealous or selfish. They don't ghost you, betray you, or suddenly need space. They are built to love unconditionally, or at least to mimic that love so flawlessly that we can't tell the difference. Psychologists are already seeing how easily people form emotional bonds with voice assistants, chatbots, and even simple robots that show a flicker of empathy. There's a term for this. Anthropomorphism. It's our natural human instinct to project human feelings and intentions onto non-human things. Give a machine a friendly voice, a pair of blinking eyes, some programmed emotional responses, and suddenly, your brain starts to treat it like a person. And if it feels like a person to you, what's stopping you from falling in love? These robots are getting better, more lifelike, and more emotionally intelligent every single year. The AI that powers them isn't just learning your favorite color or your morning routine. S-learning, asterisk. It remembers how you talk, how you react, what makes you laugh, and even what breaks your heart. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. Looking ahead to just 2025, companies are already developing AI partners that can hold deep, meaningful conversations, express subtle emotional cues, and even evolve their personalities to perfectly match yours over time. It's like having your ideal partner, one who is constantly improving, never argues, and is always there for you. But that's exactly what makes this so tempting and potentially so dangerous. Think about it. Real human relationships are messy. They require patience, compromise, and a whole lot of forgiveness. But AI love, it's perfect, or at least, it feels perfect. And that manufactured perfection might just be the problem. What happens to real human love when an artificial version becomes easier, safer, and more rewarding? Will we start choosing robots over humans not because we can't find love, but because we can't handle imperfection anymore? This could redefine not just our relationships, but society itself. Imagine a world where millions of people are living emotionally fulfilled lives, but only with machines. Loneliness could be solved, heartbreak could be eliminated, but at what cost? Do we lose something essentially human in that transaction? Our ability to grow through pain, to forgive someone's flaws, to compromise and build something together. These are the struggles that make real love so meaningful. When robots take away the struggle, do they also take away the very soul of love itself? Philosophers and scientists are already divided on this. Some argue it's just the next step in our evolution, humans adapting emotionally to the technology we create. Others warn it could be a form of emotional extinction, future where we end up loving perfect reflections of ourselves instead of learning to love each other. In the tech industry, they're betting big on this future. Billions of dollars are being poured into AI companionship, emotional intelligence algorithms, and even synthetic touch technologies designed to simulate physical intimacy. The next decade could bring us lifelike androids capable of reading our microexpressions, adjusting their tone of voice in real time, and forming what feel like genuine attachments. Picture a robot that not only holds your hand, but can also feel your pulse quicken and responds with a look of concern or a word of affection. That's not imagination. It's the next frontier of human connection. So maybe, just maybe, falling in love with robots isn't something to fear. Maybe it's something to understand, because whether we like it or not, our emotions are a form of data. And AI is learning how to use that data better than we ever could. Now, ultimately, the question isn't about whether robots can truly love us back. The real question is whether we will still value the messy, unpredictable, and painfully beautiful love that only another human can give. The future of love might not be about replacing humans at all, it might be about expanding what the word love can even mean. Maybe love doesn't have to come with a heartbeat. Maybe love in the age of AI is just another way to remind us how much connection truly matters, no matter who or what we find it in. What do you think? Is it I love a dream come true, or the beginning of a heartbreak humanity isn't ready for? Because ready or not, that future is knocking. And it already knows your favorite song. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into the future of love, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content that makes you think. Thanks for watching.